Want to learn how to use Salesforce for customer support? If you're looking for a simple, fast, and effective way to boost your customer support workflow, you've come to the right place. Salesforce is one of the most powerful CRM tools out there, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can make the most of it for customer support. You can actually use Salesforce for free through an exclusive offer linked in the description below, so stick around to learn more about how you can get started today. Let's jump straight in. First thing you'll need to do when using Salesforce for customer support is set up your Service Cloud. This is the heart of Salesforce for customer service teams. It's where you'll manage all your support cases, track customer interactions, and even analyze your support team's performance. This centralized platform keeps everything in one place, making it easy to access customer data quickly. Next thing, Salesforce gives you the power to automate your customer support process. You can set up workflows that automatically assign cases to the right team members based on certain criteria. This saves a lot of time and ensures that no customer issue slips through the cracks. Plus, with its AI-powered features like Einstein, Salesforce can help predict which cases need urgent attention, allowing your team to prioritize effectively. The third thing to keep in mind is utilizing the knowledge base. Salesforce allows you to create and organize helpful articles for customers to find answers to their issues on their own. Not only does this reduce the load on your support team, but it also empowers customers to solve problems quickly, making for a better experience overall. The fourth thing to consider is the powerful reporting and analytics tool Salesforce offers. You can track metrics like case resolution times, customer satisfaction scores, and team performance. These reports help identify areas where your support team can improve and ensure you're delivering top-notch service. Another key point is Salesforce's integration capabilities. You can connect Salesforce to other communication channels like live chat, social media, or email. This ensures that all your customer interactions are consolidated into one platform, making it easier to stay on top of all customer inquiries. Whether your customer reaches out on Twitter or sends an email, you'll be able to respond from the same place. And here's something to look forward to: Salesforce's customization options. As your business grows, Salesforce can grow with you. You can tailor dashboards, workflows, and features to meet your specific needs. So, whether you're a small team or managing a large customer service department, Salesforce can scale to fit your needs. Now, don't forget, all of these features are available to you through an exclusive extended free trial of Salesforce through the link in the description below. You'll get to try everything for free and see how it works for your support team without any commitment. So, there you have it. Using Salesforce for customer support is straightforward and full of powerful tools to improve your team's efficiency and provide a great experience for your customers. If you're looking to dive deeper, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial by clicking the first link below. Thanks for watching and happy supporting!